So here we have our Volkswagen Golf on a 14 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But from the outside you can see it's a 5-door car. Let's start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of it from there. As we approach the back of the car, you'll see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat, should you wish to increase this space even further. And then underneath this tray section, a space saver spare wheel. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see it's in excellent condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter, and on the right-hand side, the speedometer and fuel gauge. In the middle, you can see the total miles for the car, which are 22,623. Above that, we have a digital readout for the speedometer. You can change the information that's displayed there by using buttons on the steering wheel for various different bits of trip computer and fuel economy information. If we back out to the steering wheel, on the right-hand side are the buttons I was using just a moment ago, along with phone controls and stereo controls at the bottom just here. On the left-hand side, the stereo controls continue, along with cruise control. Once you set cruise control, hit that button just there, and this car is able to maintain its own distance between itself and the car in front, both speeding up and slowing down, depending on the car in front's speed. Over in the centre, we have the touchscreen for the car. So this is where you can access things like your radio. You'll see there we have DAB, FM and AM radio. If you want to listen to your own music, you can do. Plenty of ways to listen to that as well. And they include Bluetooth audio, so you can stream music wirelessly as well as making and receiving phone calls. Hit the phone button just there, and you can pair your phone. Working our way down from that section, we have the air conditioning. So you can adjust the temperature, fan speed, and direction of the air. The air conditioning is on at the minute, so off, back on again with our rear heated screen. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly depending on the temperature you've set here. And you can turn the whole system off from over there if you wish to as well. This section will close over. Inside there, we have Volkswagen's kind of media input. There's various different cables you can buy that attach to that. For example, at the minute, the one that's with the car has got an Apple Lightning connector at the bottom, so you can connect an Apple device up that way should you wish to do that. We have the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. To the right hand side of that, you can turn the parking sensors off. You can turn off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. That system is now off. And this one will change the driving setup of the car, so you can put it in normal, sport, eco or individual. And under individual, you'll be able to customize the car yourself. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Glenbourne's. We'd love to hear from you soon.